Welcome to another Trade Wave Tuesday, where again we're using the Trade Wave as an indicator to build and to manage our portfolio. So far, I've been doing fantastic with this. Big fan of quantitative and systematic trading myself. You can always follow me, Michael Noss, on Twitter or X or whatever. I talk about this kind of trading all the time. I really do think it helps out a lot of traders to think about the market more systematically like this. So VITL is what we're going to watch this week, but just kind of wrap up our portfolio, which is pretty lean right now. But SNC was what we bought last week, right in this area. You can see the buy point right here, and already up 6% on our, or 0.6% across our entire portfolio, only putting $20,000 into that. So VITL, this is something we're going to look at next, where I showed you on the other page. It does have the Trade Wave buy ticket right here. Pretty awesome runner, right? $10, we got all the way up to 50. Now we pulled back to 30. Last time we had a buy ticket, look at that massive move that we had. We would have had a buy ticket somewhere down here and that move as well. So this is the kind of thing that we're watching, a nice trending stock. So as always, we're just going to pick up. It's very easy to do here in our paper account. We're going to do $20,000. We're going to buy that at market, and we're going to make sure we're using the Trade Wave account, and then we're going to hit send. So we're buying this one as well. Worst case stop is definitely going to be down here. But as always, we're just trying to ride this cloud, this moving average cloud, as long as we can. So last time, if we were in on this ticket, we would have gotten out probably right here. So this is the same thing. We're looking to get involved as it's pushing higher, see if we can continue that. So with just these two trades going on, there's really not much to look to, but SSNC broke this area right here, which is exactly what we were looking for. So we're just hoping that we get a continuation here for SSNC above this zone right here. And then again, we're just using this as a trailing stop. So we never know how far these trades will go for us, but the beauty is we don't have to.